This video I will explain relative, absolute and mixed referencing. Here if I want to calculate the quantity and I want to set this 10% for each, so I just select this and multiply by this, so it will give me the value based on the 10%. So here the I6 and I5 and F5. Here relative means only I6, but let's say if I drag, yeah, then it shows 0 because here it's multiplied by I7, which is 0 here, which is null, that's why. So in order to stick to this cell I6, I need to lock this using dollar. Yeah, so now this I6 is locked. So now if I drag, then it will show the value. Yeah, and I can see that everywhere I6 there, only F is changing. So this I6, which is dollar, which is called mix reference, and absolute means both should be locked. So if I lock here, in this scenario it doesn't matter if I lock I or not, but if I had locked this I, the value will be same. Yeah, so relative means only the cell name, absolute mean both the values should be locked, row and column. Here only mix, in mix reference only row is locked.